Wait, what does that say? Who on earth wrote that? Oh my god. So cold. It's so cold. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to warm up. I need to warm up. Oh my god, my fingers are so cold. Come on. Come on. So cold. Jesus, so cold. Right. Oh my god. God, I can't even see anything. Let me just put the road defrosters on. I think it's that anyways. Alright, okay. Let's go outside and continue the video. Why do I do this to myself? Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on this very cold day where the puddles have literally turned to ice. It's kind of satisfying, you know, still. As I was saying, today what we're going to be doing is... What does that say? The hell? Who on earth wrote that? Right, back to the video. As I was saying, today is a very special day because what we're going to be doing is actually we're going to be installing a much needed spoiler extension on the MK5 R32 looking Golf. I mean, as you can tell, it's sort of already got a tiny spoiler, but you know, all of them came with that, so it's not really special. And obviously we want this car to look special because, you know, yeah, the spoiler's in the house at the moment, and what we're going to be doing is literally a stick-on spoiler where you just stick it on, you slap it on here, and yeah, it's a very subtle mod. Again, trying to go for a clean look of this car, I'm not trying to go all out. Let's get inside the house and unbox it. Right, so now we're back in the garden and we're going to get our spoiler extension, which is in this decently sized box, and find a way to open it. Just give me, oh, there you go. So yeah, open the box, and what do we have here? Alright, so we're gonna take the spoiler out first. And whoa, alright. So firstly, like, I have to say, like, I'm pretty annoyed it didn't come with any like bubble wrap, because, like, you know, this is gloss, it's plastic, you can get scratched easily. Like, it was just like chucked in a plastic, no, not plastic, cardboard box. But then again, I guess I can't really complain because this literally did only cost me like, what, 19 quid? And like, usually they're like flipping over 100. But yeah, apart from the packaging, I mean, the spoiler looks really nice. Just look, I'm really happy with it. It's got a nice gloss finish. And I mean, it doesn't have double-sided tape, but we'll get to that in a bit. But yeah, it's got a really nice finish. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's got a very nice glossy finish. And I mean, as far as I can tell, despite the horrible packaging, I mean, like, it's in pretty good condition, and I'm not seeing any scratches, whatnot. I mean, the finish here is pretty crap, but that's going to be the part that's stuck on, so I guess that doesn't really matter. So yeah, now let me show you what you guys are going to need to actually get this stuck on. So as you can see, what we've got here, a microfiber, or whatever that thing is called, basically any towel. We've got some super strong 3M tape, double-sided, make sure it has to be double-sided. And what we've got here is, what is this, I forgot. Yeah, rubbing alcohol, which is going to be used to like clean the surface where the spoiler is going to be stuck on. But yeah, apart from that, it's pretty simple. This is literally all we're gonna need. Let's get back outside and continue the video.
On and on, I keep seeing the same things, it won't change. Chain swinging in rings, gold mouth got a ting. All wanna be the man, so I advise you to keep your head up.
Right, so before we continue back outside, what we're gonna wanna do is actually prepare the spoiler to be stuck on the car. So what you wanna get first is any cleaning product, ideally rubbing alcohol. And we're going to clean the underside of the spoiler extension where the double-sided tape's going to be stuck on. Come on, man. Spray balls just stop working like randomly. Really, there you go. What you're gonna do, grab your double-sided tape, and I was recommended from my friends to use 𝗵𝗵𝗁. Apparently this stuff is super strong, so yeah, we're gonna peel it off. But what you wanna do, you wanna actually leave the covering on and actually stick it on the car. So yeah, let's get the tape stuck on and see how it goes. Right, so as you guys can see, I have put a lot of double-sided tape on this because obviously with all that downforce going at 400 miles per hour, we don't want the spoiler to like fly off. So yeah, I put double strips, and yeah, let's go outside and actually get this stuck on the car. Right, so we've come across a little bit of a problem. I mean, it's not really a problem, but I mean it kind of is, because like my fingers feel like it's gonna like fall out of my flipping skull right now. Wait, that doesn't make sense. But yeah, as you can see, we've literally got frost all over the spoiler. Whoa, that looks sick on camera though. But yeah, we've got a lot of frost like all over the spoiler, and like I don't think it's actually recommended to like put a spoiler on in these conditions. Cause, like, I don't know, maybe the tape might not like settle properly, whatever. But you know what? I'll go ahead with it. We'll see how long it lasts. But yeah, I want to get some warm water and get rid of all of this pretty amazing looking frost. God, we've got the warm water here, and I mean, I was gonna like put some on the front window, but I feel like that's gonna be alright. So yeah, let's get straight to the rear windows and pour water on. Oh my god, if that's not satisfying, then I don't know what is. Well, that was easy. Let's just hope it doesn't frost again, or that would be pretty annoying.